Hey, it's Erin, and in this video, I will be going over Alliance Virtual Office Review. Is this the best virtual address service for your new LLC? If you are starting a business and trying to keep your home address private, or you just want to look more professional online, you've probably seen a bunch of options out there like iPostal One, Anytime Mailbox, and Alliance Virtual Offices. They all sound similar, but not all of them are accepted for LLC filings or business bank accounts. And that is what I am going to break down today. We're going to walk through the actual Alliance website, look at their pricing, real office locations, and check out together. So by the end, you'll know exactly if it's worth it and what to expect when you sign up. All right, let's dive in. So first, you want to go ahead and click the link down below, and it'll bring you to the homepage of Alliance Virtual Offices. Right away, you can tell what they are about, helping small business owners work flexibly, save money, and grow fast. You can search right here by their city or zip code to find a real business address. I love that the first thing you see are smiling people, not stock graphics. It makes it feel a lot more human and approachable, like this is for real businesses and not just corporations. This search bar is where it all starts. You can type in Irvine, Miami, Chicago, wherever you want to set up your business address, and then it will show you all available locations nearby. Services overview, so you can grow your business flexibly. Once you scroll down, you can see they do more than just virtual mailboxes. They've got virtual offices, so you can modernize your business, work remotely with a professional company address, and instant access to professional space. You've got a live receptionist where you can win and keep more business, virtual phone numbers, so separate phone calls from business calls with a dedicated business numbers, and a powerful Cloud9 phone system, meeting room booking, which is great because you can accomplish more in a distraction-free workplace, and even co-working spaces so you can collaborate with like-minded entrepreneurs, work productively with full-time access to professionally managed workspace, and it's basically a full suite for people running remote businesses who still want to look legit and have access to those real office perks. And the tone they use here says it all. You can grow your business flexibly, so this is for people who essentially want to scale but don't want the cost or headache of a real lease. Now, top cities, now this part is super useful. Alliance actually lists their pricing up front. You can see New York is starting from $48, Los Angeles is from $60, San Francisco from $79, and so on. That is something most virtual address providers hide until you officially check out. So it's nice that you can browse those locations and you can get a sense of what you're paying for before you actually commit. And if you are just starting off your LLC and want something that looks premium but still affordable, this gives you options right away. Scrolling down, you can see real customer reviews. People talk about how easy the setup is, how helpful the customer service team is, and how smooth the process feels. This matters because when it comes to your business address, you want a company that actually delivers mail consistently and responds quickly, not one that just ghosts you after you sign up. Then below that, there's an all about Alliance section. So it says they've been around since 1992 with over 1,400 global locations and 4,000 meeting rooms. They are based in Henderson, Nevada, and they've helped over 25,000 clients. So this isn't a startup. They have been doing this for decades, which adds a lot of of trust. If you keep scrolling, you'll hit the section with simple illustrations showing what comes with each plan. So you'll see things like easy, secure mail management, meaning your mail gets received, scanned, and forwarded safely. You also get personalized call answering. If you want a live receptionist to answer your calls in your business name, professional company address, which you can use on your LLC paperwork, Google business profile, website, or invoices. And if you ever need to meet someone in person, they even have meeting rooms and co-working spaces that you can rent by the hour or day. And this is what makes Alliance stand out. It's not just a mailbox service, it's an actual network of real physical office locations that you can use when you need to look professional. All right, so now let's look at a real example. So I am going to search Costa Mesa, California, and click enter, and it is going to pull up nearby offices in Irvine and Newport Beach. So you can see right here, Cohen Irvine, MacArthur Boulevard, Newport Beach. Each one shows a photo, the address, and a starting price like $95 a month or $75 a month. They also show features on the right side, recognized business address, virtual phone and number options, live receptionist add-ons, and even mail forwarding or private meeting rooms. So it's really clear what you are paying for, and then there is no guessing. Individual office page. So let's go ahead and click into one. This is the Cohen Irvine location, 18012 Cohen Irvine, California. You can see the building photo and then all the features listed right below. Things like prestigious business address, on-demand access to meeting rooms, mail forwarding, access to staff support, and address for your website or business cards. Everything you would expect from a real office, but without the lease. And on the right side, you'll see different plan options. The Platinum plan starts at $95 a month, and right now there is no setup fee. If you want a live receptionist included, that jumps to $220 per month. They also have a Platinum Plus options, which are around $175 to $300 per month, depending on whether you add a receptionist service. And it's all based on a 6-month term, which is standard for this kind of professional address service. Mail forwarding options pop up. So when you click add to cart, this pop-up appears showing your mail forwarding options. You can pick local pickup for free, or you can pay for forwarding, monthly for $10, bi-weekly for $20, weekly for $30, or daily for $70. I like this because it's totally flexible. If you only get occasional mail, you can save money by doing pickup or monthly forwarding, but if you're expecting important documents all the time, daily forwarding makes sure you don't miss anything, and it's nice to see the costs right there and not hidden in fine print. So I am going to click continue, then put in your basic information. Okay, so once you've picked your plan and finalized your location, you will land on the checkout page. And honestly, this is one of my favorite parts because it is super straightforward. There's no hidden upsells, no confusing bundles, and everything is laid out clearly so you know exactly what you are paying for. So here's what it looks like. At the top, you'll see your selected plan. It might say Platinum plan for $95 a month, and that is going to be your main subscription. Then underneath, you'll see add-ons like mail forwardings, $10 a month. If there's a setup fee or promo, that'll show right there too. And in this case, the one-time setup fee is free because of the promotion. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a little summary box that breaks down your first month's cost. Sometimes it'll show a partial month charge, like $30.48. If you're starting mid-cycle and then your regular monthly total maybe around 105 a month for all the services combined. Again, everything is transparent. There's no random processing fees, and what you see on the screen is essentially what you will pay. So before you finalize, double check that your location and that your mail preferences are correct. For example, do you want your mail forwarded weekly or monthly? Do you want scans only, or do you prefer physical copies mailed out? These little choices can affect how you manage your business mail later, so it's worth taking a second to review them. Once everything looks good, click checkout. It'll process through their secure payment system, so you don't have to worry about anything sketchy, and then you'll immediately get a email confirmation. That email includes your activation steps, your new virtual address, and instructions for logging into your dashboard. And the best part, your new business address usually goes live within 24 hours. That means by this time tomorrow, you'll have a real professional street address that you can start using on your LLC paperwork, business bank account, website, literally everywhere. So by the time you finish your coffee the next day, your virtual office is already up and running, and it's that fast. Now let's pause for a second, because here's why all of this matters. If you use your home address when forming your LLC, that address goes on public record. Anyone can look it up, clients, marketers, even random people. I've seen people list their apartment address, then get junk mail, spam business calls, or worse, uninvited visitors. A virtual office fixes that instantly. You still get all your mail, but it goes through Alliance first. It's private, secure, and makes your business look more credible online. And if you ever open a business bank account or apply for business credit, those institutions require a real address, not a PO box, and Alliance solves that. If you are just starting your business or forming your LLC, Alliance is honestly one of the cleanest, most professional looking options that I have seen. The fact that they show pricing transparently, let you choose forwarding frequency, and give you access to co-working and meeting spaces, it's super underrated for small business owners. You're paying for more than just an address. You're paying for presence, privacy, and peace of mind. Who it's best for? I'd say Alliance is best for people forming an LLC who need a real business address, entrepreneurs who want a professional image without renting office space, remote teams who occasionally need meeting rooms or live receptionist service. It is not the cheapest, but you get what you pay for, a legitimate setup that won't get flagged when you open bank accounts or apply for loans. To wrap this up, here's what I like the most. It's real, transparent, and easy. You can browse cities, check pricing instantly, and sign up all within a few minutes. The checkout page is clear and there's no sketchy fine print, plus your setup is fast, usually live within a day. For me, that makes Alliance one of the best virtual address services if you're building your business foundation the right way. So that is my full breakdown of Alliance Virtual Office, how it works, what you actually get, and what it looks like behind the scenes. If this has helped you figure out whether it's right for your business, make sure to hit that like button and comment what city you'd want your virtual address in. I'm always curious where everyone's building from. And if you are ready to make your business official and get your virtual office set up, click the link down below to get started. It will take you straight to the setup page where you can see pricing, pick your city, and start in just a few minutes. I'm Erin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.